Coming up with ideas for weaving projects can be really hard. You can spend hours wandering through nature or looking through all of your materials, and still you can end up endlessly scrolling. But every now and again, that scrolling proves to be helpful. I somehow ended up on the Urban Outfitters website scrolling in the home decor section, and I started to notice some similar things pop up. Strawberries, as well as checkerboard. There seems to be a lot of both of those things, and so it really piqued my interest, and I thought, can we combine one trend with another trend and somehow get double trendy? I mean, either way, let's try it. After I landed on an idea, I got onto Canva and I started laying out this whole checkerboard and strawberries thing just to see what I could come up with for different layouts. After coming up with a few ideas, I decided I needed to just get started weaving to figure this all out. The first thing I needed to do was figure out how big I wanted the checkers on the loom. So I calculated all of that and then decided to do some shorter fringe for this one. I decided to weave this in a way so that each section of the checkerboard was actually not connected in the weaving because I wanted those checkerboard lines to be really nice and crisp. So after I did that, I flipped over the weaving and then I just sewed the shapes together. After that, I tried to figure out how I was gonna do these strawberries. At first I thought I might do needle felting and also use just some already pre-felted wool felt. But ultimately I decided that this other color of green that I had that was just wool roving would work so much better. So I decided to needle felt the whole strawberry. Needle felting takes time, and I would say I'm pretty new at needle felting. I haven't done a ton of it, and so this took me quite a long time. And once I was done needle felting those strawberries, I realized they definitely needed some sort of seeds. At first, when I was trying to figure out how to do the strawberry seeds, I thought I might actually needle felt them in, but very quickly realized they were gonna be both too chunky and just take a really long time and be really finicky. So then I thought maybe I could embroider them in. So I actually took the same string that I used in the warp and I just sewed in lines of what looked like little seeds. And I really like the way this turned out. I think they're so cute. When I sent a picture of this to my sister, she told me it looks like a 1950s picnic, and I'm so here for that. I love that idea, and I just love the summery, happy vibes this is giving me. Click right here to get the tutorial for how to connect shapes like I did in this piece.